Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra and in this video we'll be talk about communication round one shot complete guidance. Yes, what type of question you can expect, all the real questions as well as what type of audio that you can expect in your very first round, how you can ace it, what type of things that you should not do. Otherwise, you will risk this particular opportunity. As I just now uploaded, 20,000 vacancies are open for all of the batches. So why, or I would say that why, what are things that you are waiting for, isn't it? So don't waste this opportunity. Try to grab it. So the communication round will have section A, section B, section C, and section D. So there are 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, grammar, comprehension. 18 questions from reading and listening, where you need to read or where you need to listen. Then they will give you some questions you need to mark it. Okay, I will show you the demo questions as well. Stay tuned till the end. So 3 questions from speaking, where the voice would be played. You need to listen it. You will only listen that particular voice for a minute. You can't repeat that. And whatever you have observed from that particular voice, you need to repeat the same thing. Let's say that John is going to party by wearing suits. So whatever you have listened, you need to speak the same thing. Okay, so that is the communication pattern that I have told just now. So grammar, 34 questions, 15 question comprehension. So grammar, fill in the blanks, error spotting, these kind of things do come in your communication. So this kind of mail was received via multiple candidates, that you have a 60-minute sessions where you need to attempt multiple questions. And mind my words, you don't need to spend 60 minutes, because the questions are very easy. You just need to be prompt, active, and whatever the guy is speaking, just observe it. Try to make notes of keywords so that you can mark it. Okay, so yes, this is the Cognizant mail. You can see mandatory pre-request is audio quality check, which is 100% important. Now I know most of you might have skipped for 10 seconds, but the people who are watching it, you will ace it, because here is an installation guide as well as audio quality check. Make sure that whatever earphone, Bluetooth device that you will use, make sure that you will go through this audio quality check, because I know tons of candidates who have great earphones, Bluetooth earphones or wire earphones. They are able to listen the things, but when they speak, the microphone is not working. Okay, so you need to check your audio first before sitting in your communication exam. Otherwise, God will help you out. Okay, so the test would be on MSB platform. Okay, you need to download a platform. You need to fill your details right there in the platform. It will take your whole screen. Then you will move forward with your communication test. Yeah. Ensure that webcam is functional and well connected. Yes, if your webcam quality is low, if dust is been accumulated on your camera, or there are tons of things like a scratch or a dent, then sorry, because they will click your photo. If they are not able to scan your face, they will give you a few warnings and you are out from the session. Okay, so please try to be active. Clean up your camera so that your face would be very visible, and turn out the lights. Okay, great. So you will be monitored via web camera during the assessment. Required 2 Mbps speed with the stable internet connection, and yes, USB connector with mounted mic or very good quality, or these things are totally optional. Okay, so yes, audio quality check. I already spoke about system compatibility. Yes, because sometimes these MSB platform do require some good amount of system capability as well. But make sure that you have a minimum capability where your system is working fine with all of the instructions. Okay, you can pause the screen, read this particular slide. Okay, so these are the do's. These are the do's and these are the don'ts which we accumulated from the candidates. Okay, so take the assessment in a quite well lit space. Why? Because they need to scan your face. If the face is not being scanned, it is very hard to give the exam, because they will keep on giving you alert that your face is not visible, Okay, conduct assessment fairly. The GenC complaint, you can see, take a note of it. If something happened, you can just mail them right away. City location with any background noise or echo, so you don't need to do it. Pause the screen and read about it. Now the main thing to discuss here is reading and listening section. Okay, so please read the sentence as instructed, which is please read the sentence. Okay, so there would be a sentence. It can be, he drinks coffee every morning. I wrote a poem yesterday. The children played football in the field. The dog barked loudly. So these are the sentences that they may give you, and you can see, please repeat each sentence that you hear. Okay, so first of all, this pattern states that you will get a line and they will see your pronunciation skills, how you are reading a line, how much clear you are with your voice. Okay. After this type of question, you need to hear the sentence. A guy, it can be AI, girl, boy, or it can be in a real voice. You need to recognize what that guy is saying. And my words, few questions would be very easy and few questions will require to remember the keywords and their pronunciations. They are very prompt to their pronunciations. Try to adapt that and just vomit the same. Okay. So I like to start my day with a cup of coffee. So you can assume that voice has been played, which is just for 1 minute. Okay. And you can play only once, not more than that. So 1 minute, read only once. Have a note. Don't be in hurry or don't lose your conscious mind. Whatever it is, go with the flow. Okay. So I will I like to start. So this kind of things is there. So now massive success in a mock interview, because here we have experts who crack TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, and many more survey-based companies. They know how to train candidates. Okay, and yes, this is the only opportunity for you if you are looking for a good opportunity to get into a product. I can say the service-based company. So interview opportunity into an offer letter and make your parents proud, because this is investment can change your career. Because here in-depth technical mock interview will be given to you, crack coding challenges, coding problems, and your questions from resume. You name it and it will be covered, because this session would be more than 90 minutes. Okay, where we will be covering everything, then giving you detailed feedback, then solving all of your doubt. Until unless you are not satisfied, we will not leave the session. That is the beauty of trying coding mock interviews. And my words, we have 95% of success rate. So if I or our mentors said that yes, you will be cracking it, you will be cracking it, no one can stop you to crack it. Okay, so full interview simulation is both technical and HR in one session. Resume review, identify fix weakness and standout CV. Please make sure that your CV is up to the mark, because the thing that you submit on the point of registration, that will be considered as a final one. Okay, so please head down to www.primecoding.in to shape your career. So reading and listening section, please give one or two word answer to the questions. So does the sun rise from the east or the west? So this is the type of question that from east or east. Okay, so you can choose one. You can see two words are answered. You need to choose the right one. So please rearrange the words into a correct sentence as well, like jumble that you might have did in your class 10th boards, or I remember in English. So his friend a brand new watch, or Rahul. So Rahul gifted his friend a brand new watch. So this kind of thing would be there in your communication round. Make sure that you would be very prompt, because timer is also there. Don't waste time unnecessary. Okay, so in this section you will be given 3 topics on which you have to speak for 60 seconds each. You will have 90 seconds to think about each topic before you start recording. Okay, so this is the another pattern that you can expect in your particular examination. So the benefit of regular exercise, what is the important to exercise regularly, and what type of physical activity do you enjoy, or can you describe the time when you exercise made a positive impact on. So these are the dummy questions that you can practice. Like someone asked this question, how you will gonna respond it. Try to be very conscious about your pronunciation, because this is the important part in Cognizant. Okay, so in this section you will be answering 34 questions. The questions are divided into 5 categories. 15 minutes to complete all questions, and each question has mandatory. So verbal form, tenses, articles, preposition, and voice change are the topics. For grammar section, where you have straight 34 questions, so try to make note of these things. Now I will like to show you this particular voice. Okay, you can just listen this voice.
Urbanization is a phenomenon that has significantly transformed societies over the past century. As people migrate from rural to urban areas in search of better economic opportunities.
So as you can see on the screen I have played, I will tag this particular PPT in my description below. You can just redeem it. Okay, I believe it will be for free. So so that you can go through this particular PPT voice that we have attached here. Our team has researched and got this non-copyright voice that you can go through and try to recognize what this guy is telling and try to summarize, because this is also a part of your interview section. Okay, so write a solution that suggested to address the challenge of urbanization. So these are the dummy questions are also provided as per this particular voice that you have just now heard. So which of the following is not mentioned as a challenge resulting from urbanization? So these are the 4 points and these are the 4 options that you have. So yes, this is about your whole communication one guide. I will tell you, if you are able to answer all of the questions, let it be 2-3 questions just gone wrong, not a problem, or you have left with some reasons. Don't do some tricks there, like if you can recall it, if you somehow able to replay it. No, they won't be. You will just waste your time. Okay, so try to be very honest, give. And this round is typically not a non-elimination round. Okay, you won't be eliminated unless your voice has been recognized properly. Okay, so try to speak properly, have water before speaking, so that your voice will be very clear. And be patient, speak slow, so that you will able to grab most of the words and speak most of the words. Okay, now I will tell you about the resources that you can use for your interview, which will help you, because those questions are the gem questions, or I can say the treasure of the questions. From them you will definitely get questions in your interview. Mind my words, you will get the question, you will get the question. Okay, so let us discuss that. On the screen you can see there's a TopMate platform, TopMate.io, which provides mentorship, guidance, and many more things that help you to connect with your mentor whom you aspired. Like if you want to ace Amazon, Microsoft, you can contact their employees, ask referral, ask guidance, mentorship, resume reviews, and much more. You can avail Aditya-20 coupon code straight away to get 20% discount on any creator present on TopMate. Just make sure that you will go through my link, which is provided in the description below. So mock interviews you can see, and yeah, most visited as well. You can see my name as well. You can just click on my profile and avail this particular note. Okay, you can see, just scroll a bit, you will get a Cognizant. Yes, 10 rupees, simple. If you click on this 10 rupees, if you apply my coupon code, you will still get 20% discount, which is just 2 rupees of this 10. Okay, so you just need to write Aditya-20, click on apply code, and you will see that 2 rupees has been applied, 8 rupees you need to pay. Okay, so pay it and have fun with this notes. I believe that not more than that they will ask you. Okay, this is a corpus of most of the asked questions, as well as the worst case scenario, best case, and the middle case scenarios are added. And in the future coming, I would be uploading more interview experiences. Okay, so this is from my side. Much of people trusted our resource. Please trust these resources. It will help you for sure in your upcoming Cognizant interview. Okay, my bet to you. So we'll meet you with a new video soon. Until then, please share this video with your friends. I'm looking for your support. Please subscribe the channel. I saw that tons of people are watching, getting knowledge, but not subscribing it. So if you are watching till now, please subscribe it, share it with your friends, and we'll meet you with a great content soon.